Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find your orders in the Airalo application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below in your right corner and you will find there the profile option. Press on it. After doing so, you will see here the fifth option in the list, which is orders. Press on it and wait until it loads in, and here in this page should appear every order that you have in this application. Now in my case I haven't ordered anything yet, so that is why this page is empty, but under normal circumstances you should see all your orders here without any problems. And this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.